Hello, good evening, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Yes, my dear students, in the last class only we have started the topic pair of linear equations in two variables, right? And also we discussed about what do you mean by linear equation and what do you mean by linear equation in one variable and what do you mean by linear equation in two variables, right? See, linear equation with one variable, the algebraic equation of the type ax plus b is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a and b are real numbers, okay? And x is a variable. This we call it as a linear equation with one variable. Here only one variable we are using, that is x, okay? Here x is there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? That is the variable. Only one variable we are using and a and b are real number. This is the standard form of linear equation with one variable, right? Next, a linear equation with two variables. If I consider linear equation with two variables, then general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the linear equation with one variable, two variable. Why? Because the highest degree of the variable is 1. If the highest degree of the variable is 1, that equation we call it as a linear equation, right? ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? If the degree is 1, then that equation is a linear equation. Here, how many variables we are using? Two variables, that is x and y. Therefore, this is the linear equation with two variables, right? So, this is the general form of linear equation two variable ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Next, if I consider the linear equations in two variables, that means pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Jodi, right? So two equations I'm considering, that is, see for example, 3x plus 9y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is one equation. Next, 11x minus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is another equation. Here we are considering pair of linear equations with two variables. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ equations ಹೇಗಿದೆ? Two equations ಇದೆ. ಆ equations ಹೇಗಿದೆ? Two variables ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? The equations with two variables. Therefore, this is called as pair of linear equations with two variable or pair of linear equation in two variable. So what is the general form of pair of linear equations in two variable? That is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the general form of, or you can say it is a standard form of linear equation in two variables. Here A, B, C or A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 are real numbers. Okay. And where A and B is not equal to 0. Okay. This is the condition where the linear equation in two variable A is not equal to 0 and B is not equal to 0. Okay. Next. Next condition. So two lines in a plane. In that case, three possibilities can happen. ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ two equations ಅನ್ನ graph ಅಲ್ಲಿ plot ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ three possibilities can happen. That is, one is two lines will intersect each other. So two lines will intersect at a particular point, or another condition is two lines will be parallel, and another condition is two lines will overlap on each other. That means coincident lines we are getting. See, on comparing the ratios, if A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2, then the nature of the graph is intersecting each other. The lines are intersecting each other. And algebraic solutions. How many solutions it has? Unique solution. And the consistency, the graph is consistent or equations are consistent. A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 is equal to C1 divided by C2. That means all the ratios are equal here. That time coincident lines we are getting and infinite number of solutions will happen, right? So infinite solutions are there for this pair of equations. Okay. The consistent, whether the graph is consistent or dependent or inconsistent, the graph is dependent. Lines are dependent on each other. A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is not equal to C1 divided by C2. That means two ratios are equal, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. That times you are getting parallel lines. If it is a parallel lines, then there is no solutions and the graph is inconsistent. That means equations are inconsistent. Okay, remember, consistent, dependent, inconsistent. ಯಾವಾಗ consistent ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ dependent ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, and ಯಾವಾಗ inconsistent ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So remember the ratios. ಈ full chart important. Next. And also we discussed some multiple choice questions. Okay. So ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾವು solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Yes. So in the last class, we have discussed about the Jacob. Jacob we're going to discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay. In today's session, we will solve some 3, 4, 5 marks questions. Okay. See, 0.5x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. This is solved by substitution method. That means we are using substitution method. What do you mean by substitution method? ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Substitution. Substitute the value of x in equation 1 or 2 or value of y in equation 1 or 2. ಅದನ್ನ substitution method ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? See, this is by substitution method. So, ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ by using both elimination and substitution method ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, both elimination and substitution method ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, that time we are going to use both the methods. Okay. So now we will solve both by using both the methods. First we will solve by elimination method. Okay. So first now elimination method ಇಂದ ಮಾಡೋಣ. This is 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Yes. So in all the cases, decimal point is there. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ point ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 digit ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ. That means ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ, I want to remove this decimal point. ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? By multiplying 10 on both the sides. On both the equations, by multiplying 10 on both the equations, ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? 10 ಅನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, if you multiply 10 with both the equations, decimal point will get removed. ಹೌದಾ? ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 10 into 0.2 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 it is, not 0.3, 13. Okay. 1.3 into 10 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 13 ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. Next, 10 into 0.4, that is 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Okay. Now we are using elimination method. For elimination method, we need to equal, means ನಾವು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ವೈ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ನೋ. Here 2x is there, here 4x is there, here 3y is there, here 5y is there. So what I need to do now? ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೀಗ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಹೇಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಬೈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 2, then it will be 4x. ಈಗ ನಾನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇಂಟು 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 2 with this equation, then it will be 2 into 2 is 4x plus 3y, that is 6y. 4x will get cancelled. So, ನಾನು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Next, 2 into 2 is 4x plus 6y is equal to 13 into 2 is 26. Right? Next, 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Now, here plus 4x is there, plus 4x is there. So, plus 4x is 8x. But I want to eliminate eliminate x. X na ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ eliminate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. For that, I will change the sign. If it is plus and minus, both will get cancelled. ಒಂದು plus ಇದ್ದು ಒಂದು minus ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ cancel ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yes. So now plus 4x minus 4x will get cancelled. 6y minus 5y is y is equal to 26 minus 23. That is 3. Therefore, y value is 3. Now, we got the value of y. Next, substitute the value of y in any equation. Then we will get x, right? So, ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಣ? Call this as equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Okay, ಈ 2 ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now, substitute the value of y in equation number 1. Okay. Then what you will get? Equation number 1 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Right? 2x plus 3 into y value is 3 is equal to 13. 2x is equal to 2x plus 6. 3 into 3 is 9 is equal to 13. So 2x is equal to 13. Transfer this 9 to this side. 13 minus 9. 2x is equal to 13 minus 9 is 4. X is equal to 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That means x is equal to 2 you will get. Therefore, by using elimination method, I got the value of x and y, that is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು substitution method ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, by using substitution method. Now use substitution method. By using substitution method. By substitution method. Okay. Substitution method ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? First write down the equation. See, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay. Now, from equation number 1, 2x is equal to, transfer this 3y to this side, you will get 13 minus 3y. X is equal to 2. If you shift 2 to this side, it will be 13 minus 3y divided by 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. This is the value of x, right? Call this as equation number 3. Now, substitute the value of x in equation number 2. ನಾವೀಗ equation number 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. Now, substitute the value of x in equation number 2. 4 into x. See, 4x plus 5y is equal to 23 is the equation number 2. X value is 13 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 5y is equal to 20. Okay, this is equation number 2. Now, 2 ones are 2 twos are 13 into 2, that is 26 minus 6y plus 5y is equal to 23. minus 6y plus 5y is minus y is equal to 23. Transfer this 26 to this side. It will be minus 26. So minus y is equal to 23 minus 26. That means 26 minus 23. That is 3. But it is minus 3. ಯಾಕೆ 26 ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So this sign is minus. Minus y is equal to minus 3. Minus and minus will get cancelled. Then y is equal to 3 you will get. So this is the value of y. Observe carefully. In elimination method also we got the value of y is 3. In substitution method also we got the value of y is 3. Now substitute the value of y in equation number 3. Okay. If you substitute the value of in equation 3, directly you will get x value because it is x is equal to, right? So now in madana directly substitute madana. Substitute the value of y in equation number 3. X is equal to 13 minus 3. Y value is 3 divided by 2. 13 minus 9 divided by 2. 13 minus y. 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That means x is equal to 2 you will get. So in elimination method also x is equal to 2. In substitution method also x value is 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is the value of x and y. Okay, this is by using elimination method and substitution method. This question can be asked for 4 marks. 2 marks for elimination method and 2 marks for substitution method. Okay, yes, understood. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ both the equations by 10. This is the only changes we did in this problem. Okay, next same ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು. Next, half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its width is 36 meters. Find the dimensions of the garden. Okay, one garden is there. That garden is of the form. ಹೇಗಿದೆ garden? Rectangular form ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? The half the perimeter of the rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its width. If you consider, see, this is a rectangular garden. One garden ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವ shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? Rectangular shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Okay, next. ಅದರ breadth ಹೇಗಿದೆ? So length is 4 meters more than its width. So if we consider width is x, then length is 4 meters more than its width. That is x plus 4, right? Length is x plus 4. Now, ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Width of the garden is solution. Width of the garden, consider width of the garden is x meter, right? Next, whose length is 4 meters more than its width. If the width is x, then length is ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Length is 4 meters more than its width, x plus 4 meters. Okay, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ನೌ half the perimeter of a rectangular garden. So we know the formula to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. That is perimeter of the rectangle ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ formula to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. That is, see, if you consider this is x, this is also x, right? 2x plus 2y. If we consider this is y, this is y. X plus x, it is 2x. Y plus y, it is 2y, right? Therefore, 2x plus 2y. Half means divided by 2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Half of the ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಹಾಫ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ 2x + 2y ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ perimeter of a rectangle, that is 36 meter, they have given in the question, right? So perimeter is 36 is equal to 2 and 2. Here also 2 is there, 2 is there. So 2 is common here. Take 2 outside, x plus y divided by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, right? What you will get? 36 is equal to x plus y. Now, transfer this x to this side, that is y is equal to 36 minus x, you will get 36 minus x. Now, in this question, we are getting two equations. See, observe carefully. X plus 4. X plus 4 is equation number 1. Next, y is equal to 36 minus x is equation number 2. Okay. Length y is equal to, see here, this is if we consider length is equal to y is equal to x plus 4. Length anna y anta tagondre y ಏನಿದೆ x plus 4 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So x plus 4, y is equal to x plus 4. This is equation number 1 and y is equal to 36 minus x is equation number 2. So ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್. ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕೋದ್ ಬೇಡ, ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಒನ್ ಟೇಬಲ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So this is the value of x and this is the value of y. Okay. Now, from equation number 1, see, consider from equation number 1, 1 is x plus y. If we put x is equal to 0 here, if we put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 plus 4 is 4 only. So x is equal to 0, y value will be 4. If I put x is equal to 2, then 2 plus 4 is 6, right? If I put x is equal to 2, then y value will be 6, right? Next, if I put x is equal to 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, right? If I put x is equal to 8, x is equal to 8 andre 8 plus 4 is 12, right? Next, if I put x is equal to 12, 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay. Next, if I put x is equal to 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. Right? 4 is 20. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ values ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. Okay. Now, this is the table for equation number 1, that is y is equal to x plus 4. Okay. Now, by using equation 2, here also we will make one table for equation number 2. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕೋಣ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. X, Y. Okay. Equation number 2 is y is equal to 36 minus x. Okay. If I put x is equal to 0, what I will get? 36 minus 0 is 36 only. So 0 iddaga 36 baratte. If I put x is equal to, so idu big number ide, that means 36 is a big value. For that, I need to substitute the value of x anna big number age tagolona. So x is equal to 1, 2 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. For that, substitute big values for x, that is x is equal to 10 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what I will get? If I substitute x is equal to 10 with 36 minus 10, that is 26 I will get. If I substitute x is equal to 16, 36 minus 16 is 20. Okay. Next, substitute x is equal to 30. 36 minus 30 is 6. If I substitute x is equal to 36, then 36 minus 36 is 0 only. So now observe carefully. Here we got two tables for equation 1 and equation number 2. So ನಮಗೆ equation number 1 ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ y value ಇದೆ. equation number 2 ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ y value ಇದೆ. Okay. So ಈ y value ಗೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ x ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು values ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ we made two tables here. Okay. Now observe carefully. In these two tables, which value is same for x and y? X ಮತ್ತು y ಗೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ? ಸಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ x is equal to 0, 4 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದೆನಾ? ಸೇ x is equal to 0, then y value is 36. Okay. 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 6 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. So in which value of the x and y values are same in both the tables? X is equal to 60. Y is 20, x is equal to 16, y is 20. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ x and y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. So x means what? It is width. Okay, x is here. X is what? Width. Therefore, width is equal to, width x is 16 meter and length. Length what we have considered here, that is length y is equal to x plus 4. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನಿದೆ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಗಿಂತ 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. That is x plus 4. So y is equal to x plus 4 means x is 16 here. 16 plus 4 is 20 meter. Okay. These two are the dimensions. See. X values are 16 and 20. So if you plot the graph for these two values, then you will get intersecting lines. If you get intersecting lines, then you will have unique solutions. Unique solutions. Okay. Unique solutions. So dimensions of the garden is 16 and 20. Okay. This is the answer. 16 and 20. This is the value of x and this is the value of y. Dimensions of x and y. Now, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for 3,800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 1,750 rupees. Find the cost of each bat and each ball ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. See, for this, consider 7 bats and 6 balls. So first bats anna we will consider bats as x and ball as y. Okay. Let cost of each bat and each ball. Okay. Let cost of bat be x and cost of ball be y. Okay. Now, in this question, we are getting two parts. Now, the first one is the cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for 3,800. Later, that means in second equation, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls. So, namge first equation alli en baratte 7 bat is x plus ball is y, 6y is equal to 3,800. So, this is equation number 1. In second statement, later she buys bats and 3 bats, that is 3x plus 5y is equal to 1,750. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now, so namgilli elimination method ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು substitution method ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Any one method you can use. So here I am using substitution method. Direct ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. From equation number 1, choose any equation. So I am using from equation number 1. From equation number 1, 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800. So this is the equation number 1. Nan en martini, transfer the 6y to this side. You will get 7x is equal to 3,800 minus 6y. Now x is equal to, transfer this 7 to this side, 3800 minus 6y divided by 7. Okay, this is the value of x. I will call this as equation number 3. Okay, now substitute the value of x in equation number 2. Substitute the value of x. Substitute the value of x in equation number, value of x in equation number 2. Okay, so equation number 2 is 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750. Now 3 into x value is 3800 minus 6y divided by 7 plus 5 is equal to 1750. Okay, so now 3 into 3800 minus 3 into 3800 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 3s are 27. So 3800 into 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ 38. Okay. So 11450 minus 11450 minus 6 3s are 18y divided by 7 plus 5y, you will get 1750. Okay. So now 11450, this is minus 18y, this is plus 6 plus 5y. So minus 18y plus 5y divided by 1. Nothing is there means 1. How that? So if I take LCM, the LCM is 7 here. 7 ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ into 7 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So 11,450 minus 18y plus 35y, 7 5s are 35y divided by 7 is equal to 1750. 11,450. This is minus 18y. This is plus 35y. Then you will get ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ plus 17y. 35 minus 18 is 17y divided by 7 is equal to 1750. Now transfer the 7 to this side. You will get 11450 plus 17y is equal to 1750 into 7. 11450 plus 17y is equal to 1750 into 7. What you will get? 12250. Okay. So now transfer this 450 to this side. 17y is equal to 50 minus 11450. 17y is equal to, so if you minus 0, 550, 8. So 800, that means 850 will get. Seventeen y is equal to 850. Okay. So y is equal to 850 divided by 17. 17 ones are 17 5s are, that is 50. Therefore, y value is 50 here. Y is equal to 50. Now substitute the value of y in equation number 3. Substitute value of y in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is x is equal to 3800 minus 6y divided by 7. So y value is 3800 minus 6 into 50 divided by 7. That is x is equal to 3800 minus 300 divided by 7. So x is equal to 3800 minus 300. It will be 3500 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 fives. X is equal to 500 you will get. So x is equal to 500. X is the cost of bat and y is the cost of ball. So bat is equal to x is the cost of, here I will write. Therefore cost of bat x is equal to 500 and cost of ball y is equal to 50 rupees, 50 rupees, 50. 500 rupees. Okay. Yes, this question can be asked for 4 marks. Okay. Now, solve the following. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and substitution method. Here we are going to use both the methods. Okay, that is by elimination and by substitution method. The equation is x divided by 2 plus 2y divided by 3 is equal to minus. Okay. See, this is the equation 1. Here denominator 2 is there, here denominator 3 is there. Therefore, I have to take LCM, that is LCM will be 6. How the 2 ಮತ್ತು 3 LCM ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So for that I need to multiply into 3 into 2. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 1. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 3x plus 4y if you transfer 6 to this side is equal to minus 6. Okay, ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ minus 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now this is equation number 1. Second equation is x minus y divided by 3 is equal to 3. So nothing is there means 1. Therefore LCM is 3 into 1 is 3 into 3 into 1. X into 3 is 3x. 3x minus y is equal to 3. If you transfer this 3 to this side, 3x minus y is equal to 9 you will get. This is equation number 2. Okay. So now equation number 1 is 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equation number 1 and 3x minus y is equal to 9. This is equation number 2. Now here also 3x is there, here also 3x is there. Therefore I will eliminate x. So for that I need to change the signs. 3x and 3x will get cancelled. 4y plus 5 is 5y is equal to minus 6 minus 9. That is minus 15. Y is equal to 15 minus 15 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are. Therefore, y is equal to minus 3 you will get. Y is equal to minus 3. Now, substitute the value of y in equation number 1. 3x plus 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. This is equation number 1. In equation 1, I am substituting. Okay. So 3x minus 4 into 3 is 12 plus into minus is equal to minus 6. Therefore, 3x is equal to, transfer this minus 12 to this side, minus 6 plus 12. That means 3x is equal to 6 you will get. So 12 minus 6 is 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. That is x is equal to 3 you will get. This is by using elimination method. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3 we are getting. So next by using substitution method. Substitution method ಅನ್ನ use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. By using substitution method, Okay, by using substitution method. Substitution method. Yes. So for that, first write down both the equations. That is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. This is equation number 1. And 3x minus y is equal to 9. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now, from equation 1 or from equation 2, from any one equation, you can choose x value. I will choose equation number 2. So, from equation number 2, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಆ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 3x minus y is equal to 9. Okay. Transfer this y to this side. Or you can get y value. ನೀವು x value ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, y value ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So x is equal to, so 3x ಅನ್ನ ಈಗ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Minus y is equal to 9. If you transfer 3x to this side, minus 3x. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ. In order to remove this minus sign, what I will do? I will minus 1. Okay, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? y is equal to minus 9 plus 3x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು rearrange ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ y is equal to 3x minus 9. Okay, y is equal to 3x minus 9. Call this as equation number 3. Now, substitute the value of y in equation number 1. Okay, substitute the value of y in equation number 1. ನಾನು equation number 2 ನಿಂದ y value ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So substitute this equation, this y value in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 3x plus 4y. Y value is 3x minus 9 is equal to minus 6, right? Now, 3x plus 4 into 3 is 12x plus into minus 4 9s are 36 is equal to minus 6 you will get. Now, 12x plus 3x. 12x plus 3x is 15x. 15x minus 36 is equal to minus 6. Transfer this minus 36 to this side. 15x is equal to minus 6 plus 36. Therefore, 15x is equal to 36 minus 6 is 30. Right? X is equal to 30 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15 twos are. That means x is equal to 2 you will get. X is equal to 2. Wait. Okay, this is 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to 2 you will get. So, in elimination method also x is equal to 2. In substitution method also x is equal to 2. This is 3x. So, transfer this 3 to this side. This is 6 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. That means x is equal to 2. Okay. Now, substitute the value of x in equation number 3. Substitute the value of x in equation number 3. 3. So equation number 3 is y is equal to 3 into x value is 2 minus 9. 2, 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 9. So y is equal to 6 minus 9 or 9 minus 6 is 3. So minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. See, by using elimination also y is equal to minus 3. By substitution method also y is equal to minus 3. That means our method is right. Okay. So ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಇದಿದೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. These two are the solutions. Okay. This is by using substitution and elimination method. This question can be asked for 4 marks. Next. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. Okay. This question can be solved by using substitution method. Root 2x root 2x plus 3 root 3y is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. And root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now, 1 minute. Now, root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Now, from equation number 1, root 2x is equal to, transfer this plus root 3y to this side, it will be minus root 3y, right? Now, transfer this root 2 to this side, x is equal to minus root 3y divided by root 2 you will get. So, now call this as equation number 3. Substitute the value of x in equation number 2. What you will get? Substitute the value of x in equation number 2. Okay. In equation number 2. So equation number 2 is root 3 into minus root 3y divided by root 2. This is the value of x, and minus root 8y is equal to 0. Right. Now, equal to root 3 into root 3 is 3. Plus into minus is minus. Minus 3y divided by root 2 minus root 8y is equal to 0. Now, minus 3y divided by root 2. This root 8 can be written as, ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 into 2, because 4 is a perfect square number. 4 into 2, y is equal to 0. Now, minus 3y divided by root 2 minus, so 4 is a perfect square number. So ಅದನ್ನ root ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ square root is 2 into root 2y is equal to 0. Now, here also y is there, here also y is there. So I will take y common. Y is equal to minus root 3 divided by root 2 minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Now, if you transfer all these terms to this side, it will be 0 divided by minus root 3 divided by 2 minus 2 root 2. How the 0 divided by anything is 0 only. Therefore, y value is 0. Right? ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನ 0 divided by ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will be 0 only. If I transfer all this value to this side, it will be divided by 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 divided by this term. See, that means y is equal to 0. If I substitute the value of y in equation number 1 or 2, in equation number 3, okay, 3 is x is equal to, right? So in equation number 3, x is equal to minus root 3 into y value is 0 divided by root 2. So root 3 into 0 is 0. 0 divided by anything is, again, it is 0 only. Therefore, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. This question can be asked for 2 marks. Okay, or 3 marks. Okay, simple it is. Next, we'll solve one graphical method. One question by graphical method. Following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. If consistent, obtain the solution by graphically. This question can be asked for 5 marks. Okay. This question can be asked for 5 marks. Graphical method, 100% graphical method and 5 marks. So, first they have given us the equation, that is x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. This is our equation. Okay. So ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ first understand the question carefully. If the if the equations are consistent, then only we can obtain the solutions by using graphical method. So for that, first we need to check whether they are consistent or not. For that, I need to compare the ratios A1 divided by A2. A1 ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? A1 is 1. In this equation, A1 is 1. In this equation, A2 is 2. Therefore, A1 divided by A2 is 1 divided by 2. B1 divided by B2. B1 value is 1. B2 value is 2, right? B1 divided by B2 is equal to 1 divided by 2. Observe carefully. C1 divided by C2. C1 divided by C2, 5 divided by 10. 1 divided by 2. So this is also 5 divided by 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are 1 divided by 2. Therefore, A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is equal to C1 divided by C2. That means these are coincident lines. When you get this result, the lines will be coincident lines and have infinite number of solutions, right? Hence, the pair is consistent. If it is infinite number of solutions, the pair is consistent, or you can say ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹೌದಾ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೋ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸಿ these are coincident lines and have infinite solutions. Consider the equation x plus y is equal to 5. Now y value is transfer this 5 to this side, then x minus 5 or 5 minus x. X ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 minus x. If you put x is equal to 2 in this equation, y value will be 5 minus 2 is 3, right? X is equal to 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. X is equal to 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y value is 2. If you put x is equal to 4, then 5 minus 4 is 1, right? So x is equal to 4 ಆದಾಗ y value is 1, right? Next, second equation, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay. Now, y value bekalva. For that, transfer this 2x to this side. 10 minus 2x. So 2y is equal to 10 minus 2x. Now transfer this y to 2 to this side. Then y is equal to 10 minus 2x divided by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is the value of y. Now, if you substitute x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 means 10 minus 2 into 2 is 4 divided by 2. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, right? 6 divided by 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So if x is 2, then y value is 3. If you substitute x is equal to 3, 10 minus 2 3s are 6. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2 2s are 4. So x is equal to 3 idaga y value 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If we substitute x is equal to 4, 10 minus 2 4s are 8. So 10 minus 8 divided by 2, that is 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 ones are, that is 1. If x value is 4, then y value is 1. Okay. Now observe carefully. From this table only we can say that these two are coincident. Why? Because in these tables x and y values are same. See here, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. X is 3, y is 2. X is 4, y is 1. X is 4, y is 1. That means here we are getting coincident lines. So if you plot these equations or these values in the graph, then it will be like this. Okay. So ಅದು ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Two lines are coincident. Then it is consistent or dependent ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. So this question can be asked for 5 marks. Next. See, on comparing the ratios, A1 divided by A2, B1 divided by B2, and C1 divided by C2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Okay. So first equation is in first problem, this is first, this is second problem. Okay. In first problem, 2x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Okay. Now, compare the ratios a1 divided by a2. a1 value is 2 here and a2 value is 4 here. 2 ones are 2 twos are, right? You will get 1 divided by 2. b1 divided by b2. b1 value is minus 3. b2 value is minus 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are, minus and minus will get cancelled. So you will get 1 divided by 2. Now, compare C1 divided by C2. C1 divided, I will write here. C1 divided by C2. In baratte 8 divided by 9. Observe carefully. You are getting A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. That means here lines are parallel. Okay, where you will get this result, this condition, that means when two lines are parallel, at that condition, A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. When the lines are parallel, then you will have, then equations are inconsistent. Okay, ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Inconsistent ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Next, 3 divided by 2 x plus 5 divided by 3y is equal to 7. This is equation number 1. And 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now, a1 divided by a2. Compare a1 with a2. That is a1 divided by a2. a1 value is 3 divided by 2 divided by 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are. Transfer this value to this side. So 1 divided by 6 you will get. B1 divided by B2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 divided by 3 divided by minus 10. Okay. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 divided by minus 1 divided by 6. So this is 1 divided by 6. This is minus 1 divided by 6. That means A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. Therefore, when you will get this condition, when two lines are intersect at a particular point, at that condition, A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. So, if you get this result, then the equations are consistent. Consistent. Okay. Yes. So this is by using elimination method and substitution method. So yes, my dear students, we have solved some multiple choice questions and some 2 marks questions, 3 marks questions. This can be asked for 4 marks, and this question can be asked for 4 marks, and also this can be asked for 4 marks. If they ask only for elimination method, then adanna this can be asked for 2 marks. Only elimination anta kelidre, that will be for 2 marks. Only substitution, that is for 2 marks. If they ask for both the methods, by using both the methods means that question can be asked for 4 marks. Okay. Now, and graphical method, this question fix means 100% they will ask it for 5 marks. Okay. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ 5 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ graphical method ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that time first check whether they are consistent or not. If they are consistent, then make 2 tables. One is for one table is for equation 1 and other table is for equation number 2. Okay, now make table. ಆಮೇಲೆ x ಮತ್ತೆ y values ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಿ ಆ values ಅನ್ನ graph ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು plot ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then observe whether you will get parallel lines or coincident lines or intersecting lines. This can be asked for 5 marks. Okay. Yes. So whatever we have discussed, all of you understood very well, I hope. Okay. Yes, my dear students, shall we stop today's class? Okay. Yes. All the best. Study well.